Welcome back to another episode of Project S13. This is episode 5. Today we are doing the test pipe. I had ordered this the last time. It came in late. It was supposed to be episode 4 back then, but we ended up painting the wheels. You know, I want to fill in something, so we might have fill in stuff if stuff come in late. But anyway, let me show you the test pipe. This is gonna be a quick video though. Alright, I had got this from eBay, of course. I mean, I just feel like if a pipe is just going straight through, it's just as good as the other one might got dimensions and shit. I really don't care. I already opened it, so. Shit. Yeah, so this is just an eBay test pipe. I got it for like $26. Nothing too special. I had to glue in a bolt because there's, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It comes with the 2 gaskets, of course, right here. Comes with 2 gaskets for both to install it. So yeah, this is gonna be a quick video today, but it should have a deeper tone. It should be sealed off, and let's go ahead and install it. All right, so anyway, I got the car open in the air anyway. So basically, I'm gonna let y'all hear it. It's not, there's no muffler, no cat, no resonator, nothing. So this is just probably all the way from the header and the downpipe. This is how loud this motherfucker is.
Oh God.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but yeah, you see why.
Oh, cold.
Alright, good. It's too cold outside. Hey, look how cold it is. That's why I'm wearing a jacket. Like the last video I was wearing it. Bae just went inside, so we finna put this on ourselves. Shoot. And bring you guys along. So yeah, there you go on the floor, and then yeah, I'm gonna brighten this up for you. Work! I ain't gonna lie though, it's actually harder to install the pipe than I thought. Oh shoot, I gotta get this other boat on here if I can, and just, you know, limit it to tools and height. Let's see. This bitch on the back. Yeah, got it on now. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, that was a process. But we're finna hear what it sounds like, turn it on. Hopefully, it sounds better. Alright, so we got the test pipe on. It took me about an hour. It's freezing out here, I ain't gonna lie. That's why I got ice and stuff on the car. But it's the first startup with the test pipe. Well, the eBay test pipe. There you go. Oh snap! Oh, go to the back. Sound good, don't it?
Yes. That sounds a whole lot better.
Hold on. We're gonna do a little love.
Oh God.
Sounds different, don't it?
Yes.
I think I like this. I think I'm gonna keep this right here. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the car down, I'm gonna drive around, and I'm gonna do a flyby. Oh, you got on me.
I'm sorry.
No, you good. My car goes, ooh, it stinks.
Yeah. It sounds pretty good.
Alright y'all, so we finna test it out, open the cockpit and see how it sound. I already drove it, it sounds dope as fuck, so anyway, let's try it out. So far it don't sound too bad. One day I'm gonna put like a camera mount right there. Kind of drony though, I ain't gonna lie with you. It's still kind of drony. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little bit on the right side of sounds, but it sounds way better than the tractor sound that was making. Motherfucker sound like a goddamn tractor at first, but I mean now it kind of sound it sound kind of rice, but I mean it's better than what it was. But I mean it is eBay, so I gotta admit. Oh shit! I ain't gonna open it up because I still got some mods let me do this car. Cause like, I mean I could, but I ain't trying to do all that. I think it drives pretty good. I mean, it's more torquier up, like in, I'd say it's more torquier in the low end as far as the power band, but I don't know, maybe that's just because I installed it. Well, you know, you get that new feel, you think, but I think it's because of that, but I mean, it feel more responsive, but I'm not saying it's faster, just like as far as low end torque and power. Okay, it's now basically the future, about a week in the future. We already got the mod installed, and what I thought it was sounding kind of ricey, but it sounds way better than what it used to, which I'm happy. I'm tired right now. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing this at the last minute. I had to take care of some stuff, especially on the daily car. We're gonna do some videos on the Honda Accord soon too as well. But anyway, I hope you guys like the new, I guess, setup, you know, with the test pipe. But the next mod just actually came in today, so hope you guys will be excited about that, because I'm gonna be installing that Tuesday and it'll be on next Friday's video. But hopefully I have another mod by that time. If not, it'll be about the Accord. But then we still gonna do a Project S13. Don't ever think that I'm never gonna like do power mods and stuff. I'm not doing full like stats boy. Like I'm trying to just build the car the way I like it. So I might buy things that shit might make the car look good. Hell, it's my money on that end. But you know, I'm still going for performance. You know, I'm still gonna try to turbo the car and stuff. It just right now I only got a tight budget and I can only do so much. But anyway, I hope you guys please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.